The SP extension identifies a SignaPro CAD file containing sign design and routing data for the SignaPro sign-making software platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or output these sign design files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful SP file inspection tool. SP files are project files for SignaPro, a specialized CAD application used in the sign manufacturing industry. They contain vector design data, routing paths, material specifications, and machine parameters for producing dimensional signs using CNC routing equipment. SignaPro SP files store vector geometry, toolpath definitions, and material layer information in a proprietary binary format. They define the complete sign fabrication workflow from design to CNC output, including text shapes and 3D relief carving operations. The SP file originated with and is formally handled by SignaPro, developed by Amiable Technologies. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows isn't built to read full CAD specifications, so full access depends on specialty modeling applications. Let's find the specific program that links to the file signature. Right-click the SP file and hit Open With. Test SignaPro if available. If not, choose a different app. That often leads to the solution. If you cannot access the SP file, no problem. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening SP files. Open SP files using the SignaPro application installed on your Windows workstation. Launch SignaPro and use File then Open to load the project. Ensure your SignaPro version matches the file's version to avoid compatibility errors with proprietary features. Next, exporting design data. Export SignaPro SP projects to DXF format using File then Export for use in other CAD applications. For CNC machine output, use SignaPro's post-processor to generate appropriate G-code for your specific routing machine configuration. Finally, troubleshooting toolpath errors. If CNC toolpaths appear incorrect after opening an SP file, verify that the machine profile settings match your physical CNC router. Recalculate toolpaths using the current material thickness and tool diameter settings before sending jobs to production equipment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.